If you demand the absolute pinnacle of executive passenger space, the default answer has always been the Mercedes-Benz V-Class or the Toyota Alphard. But choosing these vehicles has always forced a deeply flawed compromise upon the driver and the passengers. You had to accept traveling in a rolling brick, a metallic shoebox that is catastrophically inefficient against the wind, phenomenally thirsty for energy, and cursed with the dynamic driving behavior of a fully loaded shipping container. Luxury MPVs have always been absolute hostages to their own geometry. The paramount demand for interior space mandated a completely vertical silhouette, and that very silhouette mathematically annihilated any chance of aerodynamic efficiency, high-speed stability, or true driving pleasure. It was considered an immutable law of physics, a century-old compromise that no one dared to question. However, with the launch of the newly updated Zeekr 09, that archaic limitation has been entirely assassinated. What we are going to dissect today is not merely a new vehicle launch. It is a masterclass in vanguard automotive engineering that completely redefines how you experience the road. The engineers at Zeekr took an absolute behemoth, a vehicle measuring 5.2 meters in length, nearly 2 meters in width, and weighing in at almost 3 tons, and they taught this colossus how to slice through the atmosphere with the exact same aerodynamic efficiency as a sleek European sports saloon. Today, we're going to understand exactly how a groundbreaking 900-volt electrical architecture, an obsessive dedication to computational fluid dynamics, and next-generation battery packaging have created the most lethal, yet exceptionally comfortable, terrestrial executive jet currently in existence. Welcome to the absolute end of the traditional luxury van era. Grab a seat, because we are going deep into the engineering that makes this unprecedented level of luxury possible. If you possess any fundamental understanding of physics, you already know that aerodynamic drag is the relentless, invisible enemy of any electric vehicle. The drag equation dictates that resistance increases with the square of velocity. Now, I want you to imagine the sheer engineering nightmare of trying to hide a vehicle from the wind when it possesses a frontal area equivalent to a luxury brick wall. The traditional European response would be to simply accept a massive penalty to the driving range, adding larger and heavier batteries to compensate for the aerodynamic drag. The Zeekr engineering team's response, however, was to completely rewrite the rulebook inside the wind tunnel. The drag coefficient, the famous CD figure of the new Zeekr 009, stands at an absolutely staggering 0.27. To put the sheer insanity of that number into perspective, this massive MPV is measurably more aerodynamic than a plethora of traditional passenger cars and hatchbacks that audaciously market themselves as sporty. They did not achieve this black magic by making the cabin smaller or compromising the internal headroom. They achieved it by utterly dominating the boundary layer of airflow. The imposing front fascia, which features an intelligent active grille shutter system, works in perfect mechanical harmony with a meticulously calculated windscreen rake angle. As the air moves past the A-pillar, it encounters acoustic laminated glass that sits perfectly flush with the bodywork. There are absolutely no ridges, no rubber protruding seals, and no disruptive steps to trip the air into a turbulent state. Furthermore, they have implemented hidden air curtains that channel high-pressure air around the front wheels, sealing the aerodynamic wake that usually causes massive drag on large vehicles. The air does not smash into the front and break the vehicle. It glides seamlessly over the bodywork, channeled flawlessly by a completely flat, sealed underbody, before exiting cleanly through the rear aero diffuser to prevent wake separation. They have effectively applied the fluid dynamics of a high-speed bullet train to a commercial-sized chassis. The physics of a 3-ton box have been officially conquered. Humiliating supercars with Silicon Carbide. As phenomenal as that aerodynamic efficiency is, it merely serves as the prelude to the true mechanical brutality hidden deep within the chassis of this giant. When we say that this vehicle completely subverts the very concept of a people carrier, It is because the engineers have somehow packaged a power plant that would make Italian supercar manufacturers blush with sheer embarrassment. The new generation of the 009 has entirely abandoned conventional 400-volt electrical systems, leapfrogging the competition to utilize an ultra-advanced 900-volt electrical architecture. Why does this matter to the driver who simply wants to get from London to Manchester? Because high-voltage architectures paired with Silicon Carbide (SiC) inverters manage thermal loads with absolute perfection. Traditional silicon-insulated gate bipolar transistors (IGBTs) lose a significant amount of energy as heat when switching high currents. Silicon carbide MOSFETs, however, dramatically reduce these switching losses, allowing for a monstrous, sustained flow of electrical current from the battery to the motors without melting the internal wiring harnesses or triggering thermal derating. The practical, real-world result of this thermal witchcraft in the dual-motor version is an ignorant, face-melting 9.2 brake horsepower. You did not mishear that figure. This is an executive lounge, designed for transporting families and corporate CEOs, that dumps nearly 1,000 horsepower onto the tarmac through an advanced, highly calibrated all-wheel drive torque vectoring system. This behemoth is ejected from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. That is the acceleration of a naturally aspirated Porsche 911 Carrera, completely disguised within the body of a luxury apartment. This is exactly where the driving enthusiast's mind is blown, and where the European competition spirals into deep despair. There is quite simply nothing in the Western portfolio that delivers this absurd ratio of mass, power output, and thermal efficiency within a family-oriented package. To feed 9-12 horsepower without destroying the vehicle's structural integrity or compromising interior space, Zeekr had to completely rethink energy storage. You cannot power a 900-volt hypervan with off-the-shelf battery tech. Enter the CATL Qilin battery system, a masterstroke of electrochemical packaging. The new Zeekr 009 utilizes Cell-to-Pack (CTP 3.0) technology. In legacy electric vehicles, battery cells are grouped into modules, and those modules are placed into a pack. This modular design wastes a catastrophic amount of physical space with structural casing and redundant wiring. The Qilin architecture completely eliminates the modules. The prismatic cells are integrated directly into the pack structure itself, acting as structural members that actually increase the torsional rigidity of the entire vehicle. This allows for an unprecedented volume utilization efficiency of 72%. But the true genius lies in the thermal management. Instead of placing a cooling plate at the bottom of the battery pack, CATL has engineered liquid cooling plates that sit directly between the adjacent cells. This increases the heat exchange area by an astonishing 4 times. What does this mean in the real world? It means this 3-ton giant can accept ultra-fast 5C charging speeds. Because the thermal management is so aggressively efficient, the battery can sustain massive influxes of direct current without degrading the lithium-ion chemistry. You can plug this luxury suite into a hypercharger and add hundreds of miles of range in the time it takes to order and drink an espresso. It is a masterclass in thermal dynamics that ensures the 009 is always ready to deploy its 900-volt arsenal. We have established the sheer brute force and the electrochemical supremacy. But a vehicle operating in this elite echelon must deliver a refinement of ride quality that borders on complete sensory deprivation. The demographic purchasing this caliber of machine absolutely refuses to feel the imperfections of the tarmac. Zeekr inherently understands that true, uncompromising luxury is not merely about legroom or screens. It is about absolute dead silence and the complete elimination of noise, vibration, and harshness, NVH, to ensure that 9-tool brake horsepower does not shatter the internal tranquility. They have engineered a sophisticated dual-chamber air suspension system. Unlike single-chamber systems that can only adjust ride height, a dual-chamber setup allows the vehicle to independently alter both the ride height and the actual stiffness of the spring rate. This is seamlessly integrated with continuous damping control, CDC, electromagnetic shock absorbers. This system does not just react to the road. It performs a constant, high-frequency scan of the surface ahead, adjusting the magnetic fluid inside the dampers in a matter of milliseconds. It does not absorb potholes. It effectively erases them from existence. The acoustic isolation is so incredibly extreme that whilst traveling at 75 miles per hour on the motorway, the internal cabin noise registers at a mere 64.5 decibels. That is the literal equivalent of a quiet, whispered conversation inside a library, achieved through extensive use of cavity-filling acoustic foam and double-glazed, multi-laminated glass. And within this rolling vault, the experience is elevated by zero-gravity captain's chairs, draped in the purest Napa leather, featuring 22 independent massage points. The interior architecture introduces absurd innovations, including face-to-face seating configurations and central consoles that function as high-tech command stations. The forensic engineer will endlessly admire the Silicon Carbide inverters, but it is the tactile quality of that leather, the library-like silence, and the way the suspension levitates over the road that will instantly close the deal with the uncompromising enthusiast. The newly updated Zeekr 009 is not just a mid-cycle refresh or a simple trim update to keep the marketing department busy. It is a meticulously written death certificate for the sluggish complacency of legacy automakers. It took the archaic concept of the rolling brick, a highly profitable formula beloved by established brands who happily pushed slow, inefficient, and dynamically flawed vans onto wealthy consumers, and utterly dismantled it using hardcore science, advanced metallurgy, and disruptive electronic innovation. We are standing face-to-face with a vehicle that casually offers the off-the-line acceleration of a tuned supercar, the acoustic isolation of a bespoke Rolls-Royce, the sheer volumetric space of a corporate boardroom, the thermal management of a supercomputer, and the aerodynamic drag coefficient of a premium sports saloon. When a manufacturer manages to deliver a 900-volt architecture, 9-2 brake horsepower, and advanced cell-to-pack battery technology in a package that coddles its occupants with zero-gravity seating and predictive electromagnetic suspension, they are no longer simply competing for market share. They are aggressively redefining what the entire market should be. This is the absolute bleeding edge of forensic engineering in the modern automotive era. The old guard has been put on notice. If you are passionate about disruptive, boundary-pushing technology and vehicles that completely defy conventional logic, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and turn on your notifications so you do not miss our upcoming deep dive technical analyses. Let us know down in the comments section. Do you believe the traditional Western brands have any real technological response to this level of engineering? Or is the era of the European luxury van officially over? Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.